In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a document with others in Google Docs. Sharing documents on Google Docs is an essential skill, whether you're collaborating on a project, getting feedback, or simply sharing information. Now let's walk through the process together step by step. First, you'll want to open Google Docs in your web browser. You can do this by typing Google Docs into your search bar and selecting the link to the website. Once you're on the home page, sign into your account if you haven't already. This is important because you'll need access to your Google account to proceed. After you've signed in, the next step is to navigate to your documents. You'll see a list of your most recent documents on the main dashboard, so go ahead and click on the document you wish to share. Make sure you've selected the right document to ensure you're sharing the correct information with your intended audience. Now that you have your document open, look towards the top right corner of the page and click on the Share button. This will open up the sharing settings for your document. Initially, your document might be set to Restricted, which means only people you invite can access it. We'll change that in just a moment to make your document more accessible if that's your intention. Next, within the sharing settings, click on where it says Restricted. This drop-down will give you a few options for how you can share your document. Here, you'll want to select Anyone with the link. This option allows anyone with the link to view or edit the document based on the permissions you set, depending on what level of access you want them to have. After you've selected Anyone with the link, go ahead and click on Done to save your changes. This step ensures that your document's sharing settings are applied properly, making it easier for others to access what you've shared with them. If you want to distribute the link to your document, return to the Share settings and look for an arrow next to the Share button. Click on that arrow, and you'll see an option that says Copy Link. Simply click on Copy Link, and the URL for your document will be copied to your clipboard. You can now paste it into an email, message, or any platform you wish to use to share your document. And that's it. You've successfully shared